Good morning, students. The first topic of class 5th English grammar is the sentences. The fundamental unit of English grammar is alphabet, that is ABCD, which you have been learning since class nursery. When alphabets join together, they form words. Example, joining alphabets A, C, R, we get the word C-A-R, car. Similarly, joining alphabets A, M, N, we get the word M-A-N, men. Now children, can you answer what is a sentence and how it is formed? The common answer to the question is the sentence is a group of words, but the fact here is what kind of group? Does all the group of words are considered as sentence? No. Actually, all group of words does not form a sentence. Example, Ram is a good boy. It's a sentence. Number 2, he playing piano is. It's not a sentence. How? In the above two sentences, the first sentence makes a complete sense, but group of words in the second sentence does not make a complete sense, as we do not know what is happening in the sentence with the subject, verb or predicate. So, the proper definition of the sentence is the sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It is the most important building block of English grammar. Some examples of sentences are: number 1, Saurabh sent an email to his boss. Number 2, afforestation should be promoted. Number 3, English is an interesting subject. Note, sentence always has a subject and a verb. Point to be noted here is that a sentence always has a subject and a verb. Other points to be noted while framing the sentence are: number 1, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Whenever you form a sentence, it should always begin with a capital letter. The first word of the sentence should be written in a capital letter. Second, the word in a sentence must be kept in their proper order. If we are not going to keep the words in the proper order, it will not give some definite meaning, which will not be considered as a sentence. Third, the sentence usually ends with a full stop or a mark of interrogation. The sentence is complete unless and until it has some punctuation mark. Usually it's a full stop or mark of interrogation. Now let us move to the second topic of the chapter sentences, that is difference between the phrase and the sentence. For differentiating the two, we firstly need to know what a phrase is. Phrase. The phrase is a group of words that make senses but not a complete sense. These group of words have a particular meaning when used together. Example, out of curiosity, meaning जिज्ञासा से जानने की इच्छा. Number 2, in the meantime, इस बीच में. Number 3, in the long run, लंबे समय में. Number 4, during the daytime, दिन के समय में. Again, the point to be noted, a phrase does not contain a subject and a verb like a sentence. Now let us turn some phrases into a meaningful sentence. Let us take the above examples. Number 1, out of curiosity. Sentence, children ask questions out of curiosity. Number 2, in the meantime. Sentence, in the meantime, I discussed with Mrs. Sharma. Number 3, in the long run. We will get justice in the long run. Number 4, during the daytime. The guest will come during the daytime. This is how you can use the phrases to form some meaningful sentences, but do not forget that phrase is itself something which possesses some meaning but not the complete sense. That's all for today. The chapter will be continued in the next video, where we will learn about the parts of sentences, kind of sentences, with some amazing exercises. Do not forget to have a look over your test your knowledge exercise. Bye bye.